Welcome back to the GoBros channel. Today we're going to be reassembling this 2007 Yamaha Phazer 500. Alright, I just got the motor all timed. You can see that those two lines and then a dot up in the corner there. And same on this side, there's two lines and then a dot up on the top there. And those gotta be in line with the head. As you can see there, they are. It also has to be on top dead center. So if you look down here, you can see a little mark in there. And as long as those are all lined up, should be all good to go.
Invincible.
Alright, so I'm running into a little problem since I turned the key on here. That I'm getting a code and it's number 11. And I looked that up, it's a camshaft position sensor right down here. And it's telling me that sensor is bad. Right now it'll roll over just fine. But you can see that code flashing up there.